Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. Today I am here with a stitch which looks like a star, but it is not a star stitch. It is worked with 3 single crochets together. To work and show this pattern, I am going to use Hobby Store Turquoise Blue 100% premium Aran yarn. It is anti-pill, medium weight 4, and its color is 2008. This stitch requires a even number of multiples or multiples of 3 plus 1 stitch. So I'll make so many number of stitches and get back to you. I have made 15 plus 1, 16 chains here. So starting from the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook, pull up a loop, then insert your hook in the next 2 adjacent stitches one at a time and pull up 1 loop each. So you should have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 of them. Then chain 1. Starting from the same chain where you completed your 3 SEs together and pick up loops from adjacent 2 chains. So again you will have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 of them, chain 1. So you are working 3 single crochets together. And you will start, every time you will start working from the last single crochet worked, the previous single crochet worked. Chain 1 plays an important role here, so do not forget to chain 1. Yeah, I have chain 1. Chain 1. So you're in the last stitch here. So you'll be ideally left with 1 chain. So chain 1 and place a single crochet in the last chain here. You can chain 1 and turn or chain 2 and turn, else you make a single crochet right away in the very first stitch here. And then you're going to work under the chain space, the 3 single crochets together in the next chain space. That is what we're going to do, 3 single crochets together by working into the first chain space, pulling up a loop, then into the 3 single crochets together, pulling up a loop, pulling up a loop, and then into the next chain. So chain 3 single crochets together, chain. That is where we are going to place our 3 single crochets together. Again we chain 1. Starting from here, then in the next single crochet, this I've made it a little tighter, so I find it difficult to insert my hook there. Doesn't matter. So henceforth I'm not making it very tight. This often happens. It all depends on your hand tension. So this is a 1 row repeat henceforth. And in the last chain space here, and then chain 1 and place a single crochet in the last turning chain of the first row. Okay, now turn over, place a single crochet here. So we have a chain space, 3 single crochets together and a chain space. So 3 single crochets together we are working, chain 1. So continue row after row. So this is how the stitch develops when it turns. See, a small star-like stitch develops here. If you make multiple rows, the stitch will look like this. You can see the stars here. It's not the star stitch, but this gives a starry effect for the textured pattern that it creates with 3 single crochets together. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of new videos that we upload every day. Thank you friends once again. Bye for now. Have a great day.